Hello, Clarissa here at Milam Truck Country, located at 500 River Road in Puyallup. Today we're looking at a white 2007 Nissan Titan SE. It does come with standard headlights and fog lights, alloy wheels and all-terrain tires. It does have a sunroof, heated mirrors, and they do extend for towing. The interior is a gray cloth interior. It does have CD player, AM, FM radio, and auxiliary hookup. High and low gearing. Cruise control and media control integrated into the steering wheel. And all of your power options, windows, doors, seats, and mirrors. The back seat does fit 3 adults comfortably and does fold up for extra storage. Parking sensors in the back and Class 3 tow hitch. The tailgate does have a shock absorber and a plastic bed liner. All of our inventory here at Milam does go through a thorough service and safety inspection and is beautifully detailed so that you can purchase with confidence. Give one of our sales representatives a call today at 253-845-1766. And thanks for clicking on our virtual tour.